Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, Brian. No heat. Do we have any code? Do we have any code? I don't see a code. Now let's make sure we have a call for heat from the thermostat. Take a look at the thermostat. Can I see the thermostat?
Yeah, it's in the hallway right here.
Okay, set this, turn it up to 70.
It only acts weird when you turn the temperature up. And it's only, so I turn it down at night, and then in the morning I turn it up, and it'll, like this will go black and it'll restart, and then the furnace will kick on and off for like an hour straight until it reaches temperature, and then it's fine the rest of the day.
So this is like blinking?
Yeah, it'll go black, like it'll shut off completely, like it'll click and then it'll shut off and then it'll restart, and it'll do it a couple times. So we had it on a schedule, and then we turned the schedule off, and then I thought maybe it had something to do with the schedule
And still
being weird.
Okay, let me take a look down.
So, and we changed the filter probably like 2 weeks ago because it was acting weird, and then the whole there was no heat at all. So we changed the filter, and it was working again.
Okay, let's see.
So it's kind of weird.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. So seems like for once this doesn't sound the best. But we have flame. Now what I will do, I'm gonna do the basic for now. I'm going to check the condensate trap, check the flame sensor, check my intake and exhaust, and make sure all of that is good. Let me do a combustion analysis while this is running before I go any further. Let me do a combustion analysis. combustion analysis to check the CO. Check. Check that vent pipe too. Check the vent. See where the vent goes. Okay. Let's see what we got. Well, the CO is not rising as bad as I was thinking. It is like a 25 years old furnace, but it's not as bad as I was thinking. So yes, looks okay. Stop it there. Looks okay. Okay. Looks good. Turn it off. Turn that off. Let's see how he sees this trapped. Okay. Okay, flame sensors right there. How easy could it be? Not as easy, but we're gonna make it work. Okay. Now I'm gonna remove the condensate trap to make sure this is bad right here. How brittle is this? Leaks very dirty. Let's remove this. Good, I broke it there, but I think that I might have another one of those. Great. I always have a spare of these because of this issue. Brittle. Let me find a sink. I have a sink down here. No. Hi, can I use your sink to clean this out?
Yep.
Okay. That's clean. Now I need to find a rubber elbow for this one because that one was brittle. So let's see if I have one in my bucket, and I think that I do. Hope so. Let's see one here. Yeah, looks good. Little. too. This one's a little brittle too, but I'm gonna use this one. Oh, let me also flush these. Okay. She was the one that broke. There was one. Oh yeah, this one broke here. So this is not good. Then I need to make sure. Wait. It's like this. Oops. Okay, that's it now. To be very gentle here. To be very gentle. Because I want that thing breaking again. Just there. Clamp on. This one here is bad. This is everything is falling apart here. Look at that. It's just bad. That inducer is junk. Let's see. Secondary heat exchangers clogging up. Let me get that flame sensor out. More water. So, something to hold it there. See if this can hold it there. Good. Now, I'm gonna use this guy to access it right there. Make my life easy. Make my life easier. Doesn't look too bad. Also, another thing that I might do is increase the speed of the fan, because it was probably tripping the high limit. Because I believe this furnace, when it, because you're saying that the thermostat went blank, so probably because you lose 24 volt here, when according to the diagram you will lose 24 when the flame rollout switch or the limit high temperature limit switch opens. And it's not a rollout switch, because the rollout switch is a manually reset switch, and the high limit switch is an auto reset. So one of these two was opening, de-energizing R, which is going to the thermostat. So let me clean that flame sensor quick. Now, another thing that I'm going to do is, let me look at here, this there, looks clear. Another thing that I'm going to do is use my vacuum in reverse to blow air through the intake and exhaust before I put everything back together. Is it gonna hold? Easy. There. Another thing that I can do is, let me open the burners and take a look at the burners. Because we don't know. something. Rusted burner compartments. Looks rusted. Let me see if we can see inside there. Yeah. Looks rusted. Yeah, looks rusted. Yeah, it's rusted inside of there. So this checked. Let's put it back together. Next is to increase the speed, because that's probably what is happening. Increase the speed of this guy. That's that. The speed. Let's see. Some water there. Shit, the trap is there. Let's see, what do we have here? Cool. Show me some heat. Yellow or some heat. What speed is yellow? Yellow is mid-high. So mid-high. So I'm just gonna do highest speed. And then mid-high here, and that way when it's cooling it's going to dehumidify a little bit more. Let's see if we can put this